Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today on Ethical Explorers, we are diving into a powerful tool that is absolutely essential for anyone serious about understanding external asset discovery and network mapping. We are talking about the OWASP Amass Project. When we talk about securing a network, the very first step is knowing exactly what you are trying to protect. You cannot defend what you do not know exists. This is where Amass shines. It performs in-depth network mapping of attack surfaces using both open-source intelligence gathering and active reconnaissance techniques. Remember, as ethical explorers, our goal is always to find and secure vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. We only scan domains we own or have explicit, documented permission to test. Amass helps us build a comprehensive map of a target's infrastructure by scraping data from search engines, APIs, certificate transparency logs, and DNS records. It is a fundamental part of the reconnaissance phase in any authorized penetration test or bug bounty program. By mapping out subdomains, IP addresses, and routing information, we gain a clear picture of the digital footprint we need to secure. So, let us get hands-on and see how this tool works in practice. Right now, I am running Parrot OS, and you might find that Amass is not installed by default on your system either. That is perfectly fine. Installing it is incredibly straightforward. Open up your terminal. We are going to use the Advanced Packaging tool. Simply type sudo apt install amass and hit enter. Enter your password when prompted, confirm the installation, and let the system download and unpack the necessary files. Within moments, you have one of the most robust reconnaissance tools ready to go on your machine. Before we run any scans, it's crucial to understand the tool's capabilities and syntax. In your terminal, type amass-h and hit enter. This brings up the help menu. As you can see, Amass is divided into several subcommands like intel, enum, viz, and track. Each of these serves a specific purpose in the reconnaissance workflow. The enum command is the one we will focus on today, as it performs the core domain enumeration and mapping tasks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these flags, as they give you incredible granular control over exactly how your scans operate. Now, let us perform a basic enumeration. We'll use a safe, standard domain for this demonstration. In your terminal, type amass enum-d example.com. Let's break down what's happening here. The enum command tells Amass to perform DNS enumeration and mapping. The -d flag specifies the target domain, which in this case is example.com. Once you hit enter, Amass goes to work. It's not just doing a simple DNS brute force, it's reaching out to various data sources across the internet. It checks databases, public records, and certificate logs to find any subdomains associated with example.com. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the target and the number of data sources configured. As the results start scrolling down the screen, you'll notice it discovers fully qualified domain names and resolves them to their respective IP addresses. It also identifies the autonomous system numbers and net blocks. In a real-world authorized engagement, this information is absolute gold. You might discover forgotten development servers, old staging environments, or poorly configured administrative portals that were never meant to be publicly accessible. These are often the weakest links in an organization's attack surface. Amass organizes this data beautifully, giving you a comprehensive list of targets to investigate further. It's important to note that the standard enum command is generally passive, meaning it relies on third-party APIs and public records. If you were to add active flags, it would directly interact with the target's infrastructure, which is exactly why having explicit permission is an absolute non-negotiable requirement for ethical hackers. That wraps up our introduction to the OWASP Amass Project. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to Ethical Explorers, and stay tuned for more tutorials on securing the digital world. Stay safe and happy hacking!